Mississippi at the Hastings. There's down there the Hastings Bridge. And we are at the Lock and Dam. Lock and Dam number 2 to be specific. We do not have any barges coming through right now, which would be awesome to see. Carol is up here having fun. We're on the lookout. So we got to go back down the stairs with little baby deer feet. Once we get out of the view of this car, we'll have a nice view of the bridge coming into downtown. Oop, Carol almost took me out. She zigged and I zagged. Well, I guess now we have a tree in the way. Okay, we're out on this really cool lookout overpass. Lock and Dam over there. Bridge over there. Look at that, how pretty. It's really a neat little spot. All right, Carol says, let's go. And then interesting, I don't know why, but there is a big, huge hunk of the old Hastings Bridge right there, just laying there. I don't know what for. So, ooh, Carol, you don't walk in front of me. You almost tripped me and killed me. There's the confluence. Port of Hastings. Underneath the bridge now. Looking back. And then in the back, they have this cute backyard area. Should we have Carol climb on the turtle? It probably says don't climb on the turtle. She won't anyway, it's fine. Leatherback turtle. And then here on this post you can see 1965 when it flooded, 25, almost 30, or almost 26 feet over flood stage. Yeah, that's literally crazy. 1969, 2001, 1997. I was still here then. I actually remember 97. Well, and 2001. Made it all the way down. Ooh, this boat come down the river. Are you hot? We're trying to find Carol a drinking fountain so I can fill her bowl. Alright, now we are at the start of the downtown area. The historic. Actually, I don't get run over, but nope. See what I can record down here. I had to put my phone away. Somebody was having a little argument, a domestic dispute, if you will. They were yelling at each other. Awkward. I heart that house immensely. Wait, isn't that pretty? Carol and I are waiting. It's a very busy intersection apparently. And then right there is the bridge and then the confluence. hotel and restaurant and such. And over there, downtown. All right, and then, so we had the cool house right there. Oh, Carol, don't pull on me. And then this one needs some work, but it's the Octagon house. Isn't that neat? I think that's cool. And then the next one over here is so cute. But that one over there, and limestone house. Love the fence. We have quite a walk. I walked us really far away, Carol. Look at how cute this one is. There's like so many different styles. And then over there is a kind of a Victorian-esque farmhouse. And these houses all back up. They're up on the hill, the bluff, so they have a view of the river. Oh, cute old farmhouse style. That one over there is a little more formal, but it's really pretty inside. Carol, stop pulling. This one's got a wee bit of stuff in the front. Okay, Carol and I just came up that big hill, and then these houses have their garages tucked into the hill, which is really fun. These guys have some nice landscapes here. We're huffing and a puffing a bit. Just a little bit. Huh, Carol? Are you huffing and puffing? Good thing it's not Florida 99. Well, see, you can see where we were down there. Right down there. Look at the view these people have. Got little chairs down there. Their laundry has a view out over the bluffs down to the Mississippi. An adorable house, by the way. The next one's an adorable house. I mean, adorable but huge. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. Across the street, some littler ones. This one I think is newer or totally remodeled. Definitely has a newer aesthetic to it. That's cute. I love the yellow and white, what do you call those things? I can't think of them. Scallops. Carol, doing this makes us slow our walk a little bit. Helps you with your panting. And to end our video, this is however many days later, sitting on the backyard of the confluence. It's a heat index warning. People in Minnesota are pretty cuckoo, but look how pretty this is.
Hi.
Oh. Claire gets to make a sort of appearance. Woo! Cheers! Claire's like, and move off. So we're sitting, you get a cool view of the
Mississippi River.
Yep, Hastings Bridge. All the lights are off because the mayflies, which it's June, but the mayflies are apparently in breeding season.
Yummy.
But it's so nice.
Beautiful sunset of the river.
Yeah, very pretty. You can see the lock and dam. And look how pretty it is. The phone is actually giving it a little bit more light, but it is 9:20. We are on just past the summer solstice, so it is actually pretty bright out. Oh, hold on. Claire, one more time.
I don't need to be in it again.
Yay!
Yay!
You're out again. Thanks for watching. I don't know if Eddie's going to pop in the back here. No.
to other people from the wedding.
They're getting, there's a really cute bride here, but I was supposed to be saying goodbye and then I screwed it up, but
Yeah.
okay, bye. Thanks for watching.